Here comes the anticipated clash with challenger with Tata Steel chess tournament. So between international master Faustino Oro in Argentina at the age of 12 and faces versus by international master Lu Miaoyi at the age of 15 in China. So it means first game from challenger within two brilliant sacrifice with perfect shot with strong move. So it means two games analyzed here. So after that, second game between from Netherlands versus Spain. So what do you think about the best of the solutions with two games analyzed? So let's see up the studies of these games in Challenger. White pieces with Meow Meow versus black pieces in 12 years old Faustino Oro in Argentina. So last of year of Tata Steel Chess 2025. So it means without round number 12 in Challenger. So Meow Meow lost of these black pieces because Faustino Oro wins for white. So in this today's round number 5 in Challenger, so who was the win of this best of this sacrifice here? So two games analyzed here with standings of this Challenger round number 5 in Tata Steel Chess 2026. So white plays Meow Meow is e4, e5 Fausti, knight f3, knight c6, and also knight c3, and also 4 knights variation with knight f6, and also bishop b5 with Meow Meow. So this is the main lines here is used by bishop to c4. So this is a called by Yoko Piacinimo variation. So if you knight captured with sacrifice with pawns here, and also knight captured sacrifice, and strong with d5 with double attacks with bishop and knights here. So it means, so if you bishop backwards here, so it means captured with knights here. So no more one piece down with Meow Meow here. So this is a strong by d5 with continuations here. So this is a examples by mainline. So another. So if you bishop captured check, sacrifice. And also king captured with sacrifice with bishop here. And if you knight captured here, and also pawn to d5 with attacks with knights, and also knight e g5 check, and also covering by king to g8. So this is a hide and seek with kings. So this is a examples by main lines here. Okay, so back there with Meow Meow is bishop b5. Without plannings with Meow Meow is threatening the knights here. And also bishop d6 with Fausti by next playing castling kingside here. And also pawn to d3 with Meow Meow by next of maneuvers bishop to g5, threatening the knights or pins with queens here. And also castle kingside with Fausti, castle kingside by Meow Meow, and also pawn h6 with Fausti by no more pressure, bishop to g5, knight g5, so no more knight g5, or because this is a connected by one pass pawn with this one with Fausti here. And also bishop a4 with Meow Meow by no more by pawn to a6 because this is a backwards by bishop a4 with Meow Meow here. And also rook e8 with Fausti with more of these controls by rook e files here. And also knight d5 with Meow Meow because the strongest of knight d5 because strongest the bishop, queens and rooks here with pawns. So knight d5 is a novelty from Meow Meow. So this is a old main lines by 4 types of this database is bishop to e3, second pawn to h3. So third is rook e1, and also fourth is pawn to a3. So this is a 4 types of these main lines with database here. So fifth novelty is knight to d5 out of this book line with Meow Meow here. And also knight captured with Fausti here takes, so these are attacks the knights here, and also knight e7 with Faustino without ideas, without threatening the pawns here. So this is a attacks with tempos attacks. And also d4 with Meow Meow. So good, interesting by Meow Meow without attacks this pawn, and also captured by Fausti. So this is a given Mark X move of this computer engine here. So the best move is push to e4, so no need by captured. So this is a push e4 without attacks the knights here. So if you knight here e5 with more whites here, and also knight captured pawn. So if you knight captured sacrifice with attacks with bishop, or maybe the queens here, and also king captured with a sacrifice with knights here. So if you move by queen h5 check here, and also move up these controls with pawn to g6. So pawn g6 with a threatening the queens here, and also queen captured knights with check here, and also king to g7. So this is a slightly better for blacks. So so if you move by king e6 here, so if you move king e6 and also queen to g6 check. So if you knight f6 covering defense here, and also bishop to b3 check. So if you king e7 and goodbye mating net, queen f7 mating net, pass away with black pieces. So it means, so this is a slightly better for black, so wins for whites here because the black pieces king is dead. Okay, so back there with Fausti is captured with pawns, and also knight captured with Meow Meow, so this is a worse move. Without findings, without best is first is queen captured pawn here. So queen takes d4, so this is a slightly better for whites with Meow Meow. So back there, this one is knight takes d4 with Meow Meow, and also c6 here with Fausti. So in accept, why don't we knight captured pawn? You knight takes d5 and also knight to f5. With that idea, knight threats the bishop or queens without attacks the knights here. So this is a examples. So back there is c6 by Fausti and excelente c4. Good move with Meow Meow. So for example, so if we captured with d takes, wait, if we captured by d takes c6 here, and also d takes c6. So this is another examples here. Okay, so back to this one with good process with Meow Meow is c4. Excelente with defense the pawns, and also bishop backward c7 with Fausti, and also with a strong by queen h5 because with a queen h5 with Meow Meow here, because this is a more defense of this protects of these pawns here. And also with that movement of Faustino is knight to g6 here. With that idea with Fausti, by next up this one with queen h4. So with that queen to queen. This is a next up queen h4 with a challenge queen to queen. So queen to queen challenger here. And also with that knight f5 with Meow Meow by no more with challenging by queen to queen, queen h4 here. And also queen f6 with Faustino here, and also bishop d2 with that idea with Meow Meow by with plannings with bishop to c3 with the threats the queens here. So it means because the lift of this one with bishop to d2, so it means so no more defense of pawns. So it means with the queens without threatening the attacks the pawns here. This is a continuation here. And also decided by Fausti is good precise rook e5 good move. For example, so why don't we try queen captured pawn? See, it means this is a free pawn here. And also, without bishop captured with sacrifice with pawns here, if you captured with sacrifice with bishop here, and also rook a e1. So rook a e1, challenging rook to rook. See, rook captured accepted, and also rook captured. So it means, so this is a goods for advantage for examples. So it means if you continue knight captured here, we check, and also king g7 here. So this is a examples. Okay, so back there this one with good precise with good move with Fausti is rook e5 with Faustino, and also bishop c2. Without why don't we move if you bishop to c3, so why don't we move if you bishop c3, so it means double rooks and queens here. So this is a double from rooks with queens by next of this maneuver here. And also without pawn to d6 with Fausti here, and also good precise here, good move g4 without defense of these knights and queens here, so it means without defense here, and also capture this pawn, and also takes with pawns here. So for example, so why don't we move is bishop to c3, double by rooks and queens here. So how do you control that? And also without captured with here, so it means d takes c4, and also bishop captured rook here, one rook down with Fausti, and also capture. So this is a more control, so this is a another examples. Okay, so back there this one with Meow Meow captured here, and also bishop d7 with Fausti, so this is a bishop pairs by bad bishop here. And also without rook ad1, so this is a given by right side bad move of this computer engine with Meow Meow. So the best move this one is bishop to c3 because this is a double rooks and queens here. So it means if you knight f4 here without threatening the queens here, and also if you bishop captured rook here, one rook down here, and also queen captured with bishop here. So it means if you knight captured sacrifice with check, if you captured with sacrifice with knights here, and also so it means without challenger with queen to queen here, and also queen to captured pawns here, so queen takes h6 here, and also knight e2 check, so knight e2 check, and also king h1, so king h1, and also backwards by with queen to g7, challenging with queen to queen. So according this one by computer engine, so this is a slightly better for more controls with advantage here with whites here. Okay, so back there this one is rook ad1, so this is a right side with bad move with Meow Meow, and also battery rook ae8 with Fausti here, so it means with that idea with more controls with rook to e2. So this is a next move of this for me, so next of this rook e2, and also without queen h3, good move with Meow Meow here, and also bishop d6 here, so it means without idea with sacrifice with pawns here with check, so this is a sacrifice, and also a4. So what happened with Meow Meow? So this is a blunder ratios from Lu Miaoyi. So this is a below evaluation bar. So the best move this one is queen to g3, not pawn e4. So queen g3 is a better move of this ones of this computer. So according this one, so slightly better for whites. So it means blunder ratios a4 with Meow Meow, and excelente with strongest by Fausti is rook to c8, good move without plannings with Fausti, without threatening the bishop here, and also queen d3 defends the bishop, another bad move with Meow Meow. So the best move this one is bishop to d3. So this is a more of this good bishop by bishop pairs here. So according this one with computer, so this is a good slightly better for whites here. So after queen d3 with a defense the bishop, so the more tips of this first puzzle. So this is here of this puzzle. So what do you think of this Faustino Oro with the concentrations finding first brilliant captured or moved from this once of this computer? 12 years old Faustino Oro in Argentina. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. The perfect shot with Faustino is rook captured knight. What? So rook takes f5, first brilliant captured with Faustino Oro with 12 years old. So it means sacrifice brilliant strong move with Fausti here. And also with a captured with g takes f5, sacrifice with rook, and the second puzzle, another brilliant sacrifice captured with Fausti, second brilliant. So second puzzle, so while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. Knight e5. My god, excelente. So it means so no more brilliant. So it means knight e5 excelente. And also queen b3. So another third puzzle, another brilliant again with Faustino Oro. So it means once of this computer. So third guessing puzzle. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. The third brilliant, another brilliant is rook captured bishop, sacrifice the rook. So Gotham Chess shouted another brilliant. So it means so knight e5 it is not about brilliant, it is excellent a good move. So it means rook takes c2 is another brilliant. I'm sorry, got wrong from brilliance. I thought excelente. So it means rook takes c2 another brilliant. So it means perfect shot by Faustino Oro. So this is a perfect by highest evaluation bar here. And also Meow Meow is queen captured, so it means no more rooks with Faustino here. So it means rook, no more rooks. So it means so two minor bishop, knights and queens, and also two minors rook, bishop, and queens here with Meow Meow here. And also bishop captured f5 with Fausti with that idea with threatening the queens here. With a disturbance here. And also queen c3 with Meow Meow here, and also bishop e4. So it means so cannot move off this one with pawn to f3 because this is a bishop with a check. So this is a target. So it means without idea with knight to f3 with check. So this is a strong from black pieces, so dangerous for whites. And also queen g3 with more defense here, and last move of this finishing move is knight f3 check. White game over with Meow Meow. So it means so resigns from Meow Meow. Why she resigns? So for example, So if you king h1 only move here with meow meow, and also knight captured e2 with check here. So it means if you king to f3, so it means f3. If you f3 pawns, so if you're covering here and also without knight captured, so knight captured f3. So it means, so this is a game over from white, so it means lose from white's. Blacks wins here. Okay, so the score with Meow Meow 84.6 and score 96.1 Faustino Oro, the winner with Argentina Fausti. So it means congratulations. So next up this second game between Netherlands versus Spain. So next up this proceed of this next games here. Okay, second game from Challenger. So white pieces with Eileen Roberts in Netherlands versus with Grandmaster in Spain, Daniel Yufa. So it means without second games here, without Challenger, without proceed of the standings of this second game from this round number 5. So white plays Roberts is e4, c5 Yufa, knight f3, d6. So this is the main lines here. So it means without move by knight to f3 and also bishop to b5. So it means it is called by Rosolimo attacks variation here. So it means with d6 with Yufa and also pawn d4 takes knight captured and also knight f6. So this is exchange variation without attacks with e4 pawns and also knight c3 with Eileen Roberts. So it is called by this one with openings with Sicilian defense, open, Scheveningen, Sozen main lines here. So it means without more controls with variations here. And also with knight c6 with Yufa here, and also bishop c4 with Roberts, and also pawn e6 with Yufa, and also bishop e3. Without idea with Eileen Roberts without playing by casting, so not yet ready by casting inside here. And also, without pawn a6 with Yufa, without no more pressure, bishop to b5 here. And also, without queen e2 with Eileen Roberts by next up castling queenside, or chooses by castling kingside here. And also, bishop d7 by Yufa, and also castle queenside with the castling queenside with Roberts, and also pawn b5 attacks the bishop, bishop b3, and also knight to a5 by Yufa without idea, without threatening the bishop here, without controls here. And also pawn to f3 with Roberts, and also bishop e7 and g4, strong move. So what happens with Roberts, or next by pawn to h4. So next up this push with g5 here, and also castle kingside. So this is a castle kingside is a novelty by Yufa here. So it means, so this is a old main lines here by this one is pawn to b4 here. Okay, pawn b4. So pawn b4 is a old main lines by this one by recording here by chess.com. Okay, so it means castling is a novelty by Yufa here. And also pawn h4, strong move with Roberts. So it means by next by g5. So very strong move here. And also rook c8 with Yufa here, and also proc active king b1. So this is a good determinations by Eileen Roberts. And also knight c4 without controls with strong move, so without idea with threatening the bishop. So this is a given bad move of this computer engine here. So the best move this one is b4. So this is a b4. b4 is a better move of this best solution. So if you knight a4, here, and also knight captured with bishop here, b3, and also c takes captured, c takes b3 here. So according this one by computer engine, so this is a slightly better for blacks here. So back there, this one is knight c4 with Yofa here, and also bishop c1. Okay, bishop c1 with backwards with robbers, and also queen a5. So this is a strong move by Yufa, so another bad move by Yufa. So that's not one of this computer engine. So the best move is pawn to b5 again. I mean pawn b4. Sorry, pawn b4 is a right move here. I'm sorry I got wrong notes here. So pawn b4 is a once of this computer, so this is a slightly better score back. So another miss move with Daniel Yufa here. So back there, this one is queen a5 with Yofa, and also h5. Okay, so this is a determination. So robbers without diagonals with light square with three connected pass pawn here, and also pawn h6 with Yofa with no more pressure by strong with h6. So because this is a black pawns with pawn h6 with Yofa, and also pawn f4 without ideas with g4. I mean g5. Okay, g5. So it means next up this one with e5 here. So this is a control. So I'm sorry guys, I cannot see the reads of these notes here. And also pawn b4. Look at that. See, this is a late move from this Yufa here without attacks with knights, and also g5. Good precise here by Roberts without attacks with threatening the knights here. So this is a pressure move here, and also capture this pawn takes threatening the knights, and also knight g4. Okay, so this is a strong move. So this is a what the plans with Yufa with threatening the, or next by this one with knight to g3 here. So this is a next move here, and also with a knight f5 by Elaine Roberts here with attacks with threatening the bishop here. So this is a threats the bishop, and also sacrifice with knights, and also knight d5 with Elaine Roberts threatening the bishop. Rook fe8 with a defense the bishop, and also captured, bishop captured, and also knight takes e7 check. Okay, with a check here, and also king f8, and also pawn h6. So for example, so wait, oh, h6. So okay, h6 here, so it means continue h6 here, captured. So it means, so for example, so in accept, why don't we rook capture with knights here, threatening the queens here. So with that threatening the queens, and also capture pawn check. So with a check, so it means traps the rooks. So if you king g7 here, I mean king g8, or maybe here by king capture. Okay, king capture g7, and also queen capture rook. So one rook down with Daniel Yufa here. So this is a good examples here. So wins for whites. Okay, so back there, this one is captured with Daniel Yufa, and also poach g6. So never have this captured here with that attacks the pawns, and also rook captured, and excelente with Elaine Roberts, push g7 check, good move. So it means, so if you check here, so if you king captured pawn here, and also queen captured rook, so this is a one rook down here, and also king g8 with Daniel Yufa, queen captured rook, so one rook down with Yufa here. So this is a controls here, and also queen e5 challenging by queen to queen, ignorance queen b7. So it means, if you queen captured here with a takes here, queen takes e5, and also without knight, wait, knight captured. Okay, knight captured queen here. So knight g takes e5. So no need by challenger with queen to queen. So it means ignorance by Roberts is queen b7 here, and also queen b5, another challenging with queen to queen, and also ignorance by Roberts queen f3, and also rook c5 with Yufa, bishop captured h6, and also knight a5 with Yufa, bishop e3 by rovers without idea with the threats the rooks here, and also with that knight captured b3. Oh, sacrifice with Yufa here, so it means with a sacrifice. Queen e8 check, and also rook c8. So the guessing puzzle from this first guessing puzzles from the second game. So what do you think about the best move from this sacrifice here with Eileen Roberts? So it means excelente. So waiting for a couple for seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. Rook h8 check. Excelente sacrifice. So what a good precise here. And also king captured pawn and rook captured. So no more rooks with Daniel Yufa. So it means so 4 minor pieces versus here 4 minors. So it means queens, bishop, and 2 minor pieces with Daniel Yufa, and with a 2 minor pieces with rooks with bishop and queens with Eileen Roberts. So it means so this is a slightly opposite color bishop. So opposite color bishop with same with Roberts and Yufa here. And also with a knight captured bishop that attacks the rooks, and also rook g8 check, king f6, and also queen d8 check, good move, and also king e5, and also queen captured with check here, and also with a king e4, and also rook e1 with more controls, and also knight e4. So it means so rook e1 with an idea with next up this rook to g3 with check. So very dangerous for blacks. So it means let's continue knight d4 with Daniel Yufa, queen e7 check, knight e6 with covering, and excellent strong with Roberts is rook g3. So this is a threatening the knights with battery with check here. So this is a more controls with check here. And also with a king f4. So the second puzzle. So what do you think about the last game we did last move? So before resigns by Spain Daniel Yufa. So we're waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. So the last move is queen d6 check. So resigns by Daniel Yufa. So why he resigns? For example, so if you move by king to e4, only move with Yufa, and also rook captured, goodbye with mating net, game over. So this is a end game with battery. So it means so the score with Eileen Roberts 92 points with a currency, and 84.2 with Daniel Yufa. Winner Eileen Roberts, congratulations. So next up this round number 6 with Master. So what do you think about the Tears of Crying with Gukesh? So I will next have this one with Analyze. So I hope I've inspired this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Logan 17, aka iCommerce17. Have a good day, keep safe, and don't forget by subscribe by notification below. Mark Logan 17 English only, and Mark Logan 17 part 2 from this YouTube account. So keep updates of this next chess updates. Good night.